Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use the Uber app from start to finish, whether you're new to it or just need a quick refresher. Uber makes it super simple to book a ride anytime, anywhere, right from your phone. So, let's get started. First, download the Uber app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once it's installed, open it and sign up using your phone number or Google account. You'll then receive a verification code. Enter it to confirm your identity. After that, you'll be asked to add your name, email, and payment method, which can be a debit card, credit card, PayPal, or even cash in some regions. Once your account is set up, you'll land on the main screen where the app automatically detects your location. At the top, you'll see a box that says, "Where to?" Tap on it and enter your destination. Uber will instantly show you a list of ride options like UberX, Comfort, Black, or Moto, depending on what's available in your city. Each option will show you the price estimate, arrival time, and vehicle type. After selecting your ride, confirm your pickup point. If the location's wrong, you can drag the pin or type in the correct address manually. When everything looks good, just tap Confirm Uber. The app will then start looking for a nearby driver. Once matched, you'll see the driver's name, photo, car model, license plate, and estimated arrival time. You can track their movement in real time on the map as they approach your pickup spot. While waiting, it's a good idea to double-check the car details when it arrives. Make sure the license plate, driver, and car type match what you see in the app. Once you get in, greet your driver politely and confirm your destination. During the ride, you'll see your live route on the screen, and if you need to share your trip details with a friend or family member, tap Share Trip Status. They'll be able to track your journey in real time for safety. When you reach your destination, the fare will automatically be charged to your selected payment method, or you can hand over cash if that option was chosen. Once the trip ends, you'll be asked to rate your driver from 1 to 5 stars and can also leave feedback or a tip if you'd like. This helps maintain a good experience for both riders and drivers. Beyond regular rides, Uber also offers additional features like scheduling a ride in advance. Just tap the clock icon on the home screen, choose your pickup time and location, and confirm. You can also use Uber to order food through Uber Eats or send packages through Uber Connect, depending on your area. And if you ever face issues, for example, if you left an item in the car or had a payment problem, go to the Help section from the menu, where you can report it directly. Uber's support team usually responds quickly and helps resolve most problems smoothly. That's it! You now know how to set up your account, request a ride, track your driver, pay, and even handle support if needed. Uber is all about convenience, safety, and flexibility, making it one of the easiest ways to get around without a hassle. Subscribe the channel for more videos.